Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakia binti Zulkifli. My MIT ID I181020792. Today I want to present Management Information System in Subtopic 511, which is what is IT infrastructure and what are the stage and drivers of IT infrastructure evolution. Okay, first, defining IT infrastructure. An IT infrastructure consists a set of physical devices and software applications that are required to operate the entire enterprise. IT infrastructure also includes a set of firmware services budgeted by management and composed of both human and technical capabilities. Next, we move to the connection between the firm, IT infrastructure, and business capabilities. The connection between the firm, business strategy, IT strategy, and the information strategy. We go to the IT services and infrastructure and goes to the business capabilities, which is such as customer service, supplier service, and the enterprise service. Next, we move to the level of IT infrastructure. In this is the centralized coordination infrastructure, and the top is corporate infrastructure, such as local IT, business unit, used to depart with order processing, production system, transaction system, customer data, and vendor data. And other stage is enterprise-wide infrastructure. This is such as email, corporate website, enterprise system. Next is public infrastructure, which is internet, telephone network, industrial network, and service functionality. Next, we move to the evolution of IT infrastructure. First this is the stage of IT infrastructure evolution. Firstly is electronic accounting machine from 1930 until 1950. First, this is the first era of business computing use specialized machine that can sort computer kite into bins, accumulate those, and print the report. And the second evolution is the mainframe or mini computer, used from 1959 to the present. This is the first era commercial all electronic vacuum tube computers appeared in early 1950s with the introduction of the Univac computer and the IBM 700 series. Mainframe computers eventually became powerful enough to support thousands of online remote terminals that connected to a centralized mainframe using proprietary communication protocol and proprietary data link. Personal computer era is from 1981 to the present. Proliferation of PCs in the 1980s and early 1990s launched the spread of personal desktop productivity software tools, word processors, spreadsheet, electronic presentation software, and small data management programs. This is very valuable to both home and corporate users. These PCs were stand-alone system until PC operating system software in the 90s made it possible to link internet. The client server is from 1983 to the present. In client or server computing, desktop or laptop computers called client are networked to the server computer that provide the client computers with a variety of service and capabilities. Computer processing work is split between two types of machines. The client uses point to entry, whereas the server provides communication among the client and processor and stores to the shared the multi-thread client or service network. Next, we move to the enterprise internet. This is from 1992 to the present. The enterprise infrastructure employs software that can link disparate applications and enable data to flow freely among different parts of the business. The enterprise era promised to bring about the truly integrated computing and IT service platform for the management of global enterprise. Next, to remove the technology drivers of infrastructure evolution. First, Moore's law and microprocessing power. In 1965, Gordon Moore, the director of the Fair Trade Semiconductor Research and Development Laboratory and Early Manufacturing Integrated Circuit, the word in electronic magazine, that the number of components on a chip is a smaller manufacturer cost per component generally consistent. The asserted become the foundation. The Moore's later reduced the rate of the growth to a double every 2 years. Second is the law of mass digital storage. A second technology driver of IT infrastructure change is the law of mass digital storage. The cost of storing digital information is falling at an exponential rate. Today's PC hard drives have storage densities approaching 1 gigabyte per square inch and total capacities of over 200 gigabytes. Then, later is Mercalli's law and network economics. Moore's law and the law of mass storage help us to understand why computing resources are now so readily available. Why not? Why people more computing and storage power? The economics of the network and the growth of the internet provide some answers. Demand for information technology has been driven by the social and business value of digital network. This rapidly multiplying the number of actual needs and potential needs among the network members. And the part is declining communication costs and the internet. Okay, the first technology drivers is the rapid decline cost of communication and the exponential growth in the size of internet. To take advantage of the business value associated with the internet, firms must greatly expand their internet connection, including wireless connectivity, and greatly expand the power of their client or server network, desktop client, and mobile computing devices. First, and lastly is standard and network effect. Today enterprise infrastructure and the internet computing could be impossible, but now and to the future, without agreement among manufacturers and widespread consumer acceptance of technology standards. Technology standards are specifications that establish the compatibility of products and the ability to communicate in the network. Okay, thank you for watching.